Hi, today we're making
Frozen
yogurt bar.
frozen yogurt bark. We, for the next few weeks, are going to show you some awesome, very quick snack recipes for kids and your family that's going to help kids eat healthy without them even knowing they're eating healthy, which is great because that's what we want. So we are going to make the frozen yogurt bark, and we're going to use coconut yogurt, aren't we? And Momo is dying to use, we're going to use chocolate to decorate it, and we're going to use, what are these?
Berries.
What sort of berries?
Raspberries.
Raspberries. And we got some pistachios. Can you say that? So that's what we're going to use to decorate it. And I'm going to put them on this side so he can decorate. But I'm first going to use the coconut yogurt. Now, you can use full cream yogurt. Some people just like full cream cow's yogurt. And so what I've done is I've just layered some plastic down, as you can see here, on a little baking tray, just a really shallow baking tray there. And you just need to make it about 5mm thickness, could be thicker or a bit thinner if you like. And it doesn't have to go into the whole baking tray. You could just do half the baking tray or make it rustic and just do a blob in the middle and, you know, level it out. Okay, so do you want to put those things on top so we can decorate it?
Chocolate first?
Yes, the chocolate makes it. And inside this yogurt, because it's frozen, it's still going to keep all that good bacteria, that healthy bacteria for your kid's healthy gut. Okay, you can do the other two, okay? So you can put anything you want on it. We're using just raspberries, pistachio, and dark chocolate. We love dark chocolate, and it just tastes so nice, yogurt, like a natural yogurt. I've used vanilla and natural here, so I've mixed two yogurts together in that big tub that I've got.
The frozen yogurt box looks yummy.
Oh, it does look yummy. Do you want to try some? Because guess what, viewers? We actually have some here for you to try. Well, not for you to try, for us to try. Okay, let me get that. All right, I've got it here. Ta-da! Ta-da! Does that look good?
Yeah.
How good is awesome? You know what? It's so important to get your kids to help you actually make it, because once you freeze it and take it out, the kids are more likely to try it because they've made it themselves. So this is the frozen one that I've got. And so as you can see, it's frozen. Now, you can't leave it out of the freezer for long. Oh, there you go. And it breaks like a bark. And then you just put it onto your plate so the kids can have a snack. There you go. And then you put the rest in the freezer and keep it in a container in the freezer. And then when the kids want a little bit of a snack, a healthy snack, do you want to try some for me? Can you tell me if it's delicious? Okay. I know you like chocolate, so let's put some chocolate on it. Okay. What's it like? Bark? And what else is it like? Berry and? Do you think it's tasty? Would you eat this? There you go, guys. We'll see you next time with some more awesome, quick snacks for the kids. Say bye.